Hey, good morning guys, it's Sai here from All Creator Hub channel. Today video I will be showing you guys how to vlogging with either S4 or S5 camera where no any tech review, never ever mentioned about it guys. With this vlogging function is very useful. You don't need selfie stick, just hold the camera like this and start vlogging. Without further said, let's get into it guys. Guys, to start vlogging, in the menu function, we have the single lens mode. Just go to the single lens mode, choose the video, and then choose the bitrate, 4K and 60 frames per second. After that, just start shooting by hitting the record button. Morning guys, now we are vlogging with our S4 camera, and this is the Inya Lake in the early morning. I'm here to capture the sunlight and at the same time showing you guys how to vlogging with the S4 camera with just only standalone camera guys. If you find this video useful, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe guys. Hello, good morning guys, it's Sai here. You guys are joining me from the Inya Lake, Yangon City. I'm here to capture the sunrise and I'm just showing you guys how to do the vlogging with the X4 guys. You guys no need any selfie stick and just hold the camera like this and walking to any direction that you guys want. It's very useful. With this option guys, if you want to show the scenic in front of you, you can just turn the camera to this position and just continue walking and showing the scenic around you. And here we go. You want to vlogging back, just flip it back to your direction guys. It's very useful. This is another test for the vlogging along the Inya Lake guys. Now the sun is coming out. We are walking along the lake. If I want to show you guys the front scene, the scene in front of me, I can just flip my camera like this. Now you guys are seeing the front scene. If I want to vlogging back, I just flip my camera. Here we go. Very convenient and very useful with the single lens mode for the vlogger guys. Guys, if you don't want to hold your camera, you can just put it down like this and connect with your Apple Watch and just start shooting. Here we go. Hello. This feature is very useful guys. That's the power of the single lens mode. Let's see the next one. This is the running shot with the S4 camera in the hand. Here we go. This is the running shot with the S4 camera in hand without selfie stick, and just hold it in the hand. Actually, it's very useful for the solo blogger or solo content creator. Guys, one thing to notice, when you are holding the camera in the hand and vlogging, make sure you are extended your hand. If not, if you are closing to your face like this, it will be a little bit mess clip. Just make sure you are holding like this position. Okay, when you are holding the S4 camera in the hand like this, it's even smaller than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 guy. I really love this camera. Look at it. here we go, the Inya Lake. By the way, if you find something useful, don't forget to give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe guy. I see you guys next time. Bye.